Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Thursday's edition of the Daily Market Outlook video. Today, we're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs. But firstly, we'll jump over the economic calendar here. So yesterday, we had the CPI news coming out, and today we have more CPI come out and unemployment claims coming out of the USD pairs. So yeah, if you are going to be trading, obviously looking to try and take any trades early, or make sure you manage your risk around that time. So yesterday we had an explosion out of the DXY, taking out this area here, this supply area here, as well, demand area here, sorry, as well as all of these recent lows. So we had lows through here. We also had lows through here that were swept as well. So all of those areas have been cleared out, and we have now set a new low. So what to expect for today? So all of this liquidity has been swept. Now, it is usually we would expect a bit of a retrace after such an impulsive move like what we've seen today. But in saying that as well, we do have more CPI news coming out, which again could give us some more bearish news for the dollar and continue to see it start to tank from here. So this Asian range may be a bit of slight consolidation before dropping again like this. So we've seen come down, Asian range consolidates, drop. Asian range consolidates, we drop. Then Asian range consolidates and we drop again. So we may be seeing just a big collapse here at the moment out of the dollar. Or again, we may see the retrace, which would be expected after such an impulsive move like this. So basically today, we need to be trading with the trend, I feel. The trend is our friend and always will be when we're trading. So basically, we're looking for some short to continue to short the DXY. So basically here, we've got a pretty straightforward 15-minute trend. We've got low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So basically what we would love to see today for a continuation would be a push lower, retest the center line, and then go short from there. Or we possibly see a little bit of a wick upwards, but then going lower. Ultimately, that's a riskier trade at this point in time, because going higher than this Asian range line here implies that we are also breaking our 15-minute trend. So we may see a bit of a trend reversal coming out of that. So again, if we are going to trade around the news, definitely want to see, this break to the low side with our 15-minute continuation, because we are obviously flagging down here at the moment. Euro USD. So Euro USD, we can see here, obviously, again, come out of the Asian yesterday and consolidated heavily through London. We hit our news event bang on 10:30, and boom, we rose quite a way in a very short period of time, about 100 odd pips in about 3 hours. So basically at the moment, we can see here, if we come out on the 4-hour chart, we have cleared all of these liquidity highs through here now, but we are now coming up to quite a strong liquidity high in this one here. So we can see here, we've had a pull up, a pull back down, another pull up impulse. We've had a strong pullback and then a really aggressive pull up, which actually cleared all these highs through here. One here, one here, one here. Cleared them all, and then I was obviously tanked from there. And we are yet to come back and retest that area. So it's probably safe to assume that price action above this area into the top of this area here is probably going to be strong. So it is probably pretty safe to assume that we may see a rejection out of this area. But in saying that as well, that's also based on what the CPI numbers come out with today. And are we going to see positive CPI numbers from the Dixie that may see us retrace and see that rejection out of here? Or are we going to see them obviously vice versa like yesterday and just clear that liquidity and continue to push through? It's very hard to trade in times like these where there are multiple scenarios that are equally strong. We need to obviously identify what probabilities can trade throughout a trading day, and then we need to find what's most probable, and that's what we look to trade. But days like today, you know, it could go either way, and it is of high probability that it could go either way. So again, if you're going to trade this, remember, we manage our risk and we look to trade safely in those areas. So we'll jump down on the 15-minute. Again, we need to assume here trend is our friend, and that we are going to continue trading with the trend, which is long here on euro. So ultimately, we'd love to see a little push higher, a retrace into the center line, and go again. Something very similar to what we had yesterday, where we sort of just played around in here, didn't actually break trend, and then when that news come along, we actually just legged up from there. So whether we see that again today, or again, as I said earlier, whether we see something along the lines of a liquidity sweep above the Asian high and tank from there, depending on news out of Dixie, sorry, and the CPI numbers. GU obviously saw this impulse higher, and has obviously consequently consolidated. So basically the same scenario again out of the Dixie, out of GBP, but we do have this lower low formation here. So we can actually come down and tap into this area below the Asian range here, come in, tap into there, and then go long from there and still stay on that 15-minute trend. So that would be a valid trade. And we could also see the break and retest. But obviously trading with the trend in these scenarios is definitely more favorable. You know, it's the higher probability. Right, guys. Well, thanks for jumping on and being a part of the videos and stuff this week. Appreciate your support. And we'll be back again next week to see what's happened with these CPI numbers, and see if we can take some good quality trades next week. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.